अगर GoPro कैप्चर कर पा रहा है I have been able to capture the whistling.
हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय हिमालयन ड्राइव्स। इस समय मैं बैठा हूँ अपनी महिंद्रा थार पेट्रोल हार्ड टॉप ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएंट में। अगर आपको याद हो, मैंने अपने चैनल पे एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया था कि मुझे इस कार में विस्लिंग नॉइज़ आ रही थी यहाँ से, जब मैं इस गाड़ी को ड्राइव कर रहा था अराउंड 100 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर और अबव। सो आई क्रिएटेड दैट वीडियो, आई सेंड दैट वीडियो टू Mahindra. Mahindra was very quick in responding. They called the vehicle at the service center and they got it tested. They have said that they have fixed the issue. What they have explained to me is that basically they have tightened few nuts which are over here, which also hold the IRVM, and with that the issue has gone. They have tested the vehicle at speeds more than 100, around 120, 130, and they have reported to me that the issue is completely gone. So first of all, thank you Mahindra for acknowledging my issue, and second, you investigated and fixed the issue. तो अभी हम एक बार फिर से टेस्ट राइड लेने वाले हैं थार की. आई विल ड्राइव इट एट 100 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर एज आई डिड इन माई लास्ट वीडियो, एंड मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ so that I can also be sure that the issue has been fixed and the whistling sound has gone from the vehicle. तो अभी मैं अपना सेकेंडरी कैमरा भी ऑन कर देता हूँ. लेट मी पुट ऑन द सीट बेल्ट and now we are going to drive the vehicle. So here we go. So I will try to drive the vehicle at 100 kilometers per hour as I did in my last video. अगर आपने मेरा पुराना वीडियो नहीं देखा है, I request to watch the video to understand the issue better. I have touched 80. So now we are at 100. And इस स्पीड पे यहाँ से एक whistling noise आती थी. I can very well say that I am not able to hear that whistling sound now. Let me take a U-turn and then I am touching 80 and here we go. So now I am at 100. I can say that the whistling sound which used to come, that is gone. I tested the vehicle and I can very well say that the whistling sound is gone. I would like to really thank Mahindra for addressing my issue. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.